I'm Sita Divya Kalidindi. I have a bachelor's degree in IT and a master's in statistics. After working as a data analyst for around 4 years, I took a break from my career to be a full-time mom so that I could give my personal undivided attention to my infant kids. After being a homemaker for 7 years, I figured my kids have become old enough that they were not dependent on me as much and needed less of my time. I thus wanted to restart my career, and it wasn't until I started applying for jobs that I realized how difficult it is for women to rejoin the corporate workforce after taking a break to raise a family. My resume was not getting shortlisted by many of the companies I applied to, and the few calls I did get were from the HRs who missed to notice the 7-year career gap in my CV. Once I cleared that up, I never heard back from them again. This went on for over 6 months, which prompted my friends and well wishers to suggest that I somehow hide the fact I took a long hiatus from work. I rejected it outright, since doing things correctly is as important to me as getting what I wanted. The fact that I was not even being given an opportunity to interview disheartened me. But even in such desolation, I held hope that I would eventually find a company which would accept me for what I am and give me a re entry into a corporate career. Because it turned out to be that company, it welcomed me into its family and made me feel valued for my knowledge and skills and validated my faith in honesty. My first experience with efficacy was, of course, the interview process. One fortunate day, I got a call from HR that my interview was scheduled the next day. This totally lifted my spirits since I had been yearning to hear anything other than the usual. We will get back to you if we find your profile suitable. Response that I used to get at the end of such calls. The recruitment process was very quick and accommodating. The interviewers in all the rounds were very sympathetic about my atypical work history and appeared genuinely interested in helping me out. The hiring procedure for me was a window into the organizational culture at Efficacy. And my first impression was that they had a very progressive and employee centric policies, and it got my hopes up about not only getting hired but also rebuilding my career at what seemed to be a conducive environment for learning and overall professional and personal growth. I was extremely happy when I received an offer letter from Efficacy promptly after a series of interviews. I joined Efficacy in the second week of June 2021. Since then, it has been a pleasant journey through induction and training. My experience at Efficacy far exceeded my expectations, which I knew were high as a result of the refreshingly congenial hiring procedure. To me, the best part of working at Efficacy is that I get to work from home, which not only obviates the need for daily commute and gives me the freedom to set my own work hours to suit my convenience, but also allows me to spend almost as much time with my kids as I was doing before. Now I get up every day with an amazing feeling that I have work to finish for which I get paid, while I am also able to give ample amount of time and attention to my family. Coming to the company itself, everyone here is so friendly. Whenever I am stuck with a program or something, there are people who seem happy to help me. Everyone here is treated equally irrespective of the background or position in the organization. I especially like transparency in the organization and the focus on employee growth and well-being. The MD of the company spoke with me during my first week here and expressed his commitment to ensuring that I thrive and grow in the organization. Showed to me how much thought the MD himself puts into making their employees comfortable both professionally and personally. We have growth sessions for about 1 hour every day in which experts from the organization or external speakers deliver seminars on technical topics like SharePoint, MS Forms, Planner, Yammer, as well as on holistic development dimensions like goal-oriented financial planning, self-management, improvement and motivation, communication skills, email writing skills. There are many hobby clubs for efficacy employees like sports, fine arts, music and dance, book club, gardening, culinary, photography, film and media. We also had musical night, which was a great family event that I enjoyed with my spouse and kids. I feel blessed to have found employment at Efficacy, and I am looking to build a strong career here by grabbing the excellent opportunities that I see on the horizon in this fast growing company, which is expanding its operations to other countries. Had I known before that there was a company like this, I would definitely have restarted my career much sooner, or perhaps would not have taken a break at all. Thank you.